What's up, guys? Today we are unboxing of Honor's first Flip smartphone, the Honor Magic V Flip. This is the 5G phone and most beautiful and pretty handy. The phone has come in three different colors: camellia white, champagne pink, and iris black. The Honor Magic V Flip has a 12 GB of RAM, and there is a three options for storage: 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB. If talk about the camera, there is a 50 megapixel wide camera that is perfect for making videos and taking beautiful photos. The Magic V Flip will carry a sizable cover screen to be over 4 inches in diagonal and featuring two cutouts for its cameras. The more interesting bit is that the LED flash is placed on the bottom half of the device and not next to the camera sensors. The battery is non-removable 4500 mAh and the battery is bigger than other flip phones. And there is fast charging adapter and that will be 66 watt fast charging. Means battery will be filled in a minute. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.